Here are 7 pieces of news from the world of the crypto industry. First, news. 2 catalysts for Bitcoin's sharp growth. According to a report by 10x Research, a reduction in interest rates by the Federal Reserve and upcoming payments to creditors of the bankrupt crypto exchange FTX will trigger bullish market sentiment. The expected inflow of $5 to $8 billion will encourage investors. There is a possibility of a sharp, juicy cryptocurrency surge as the Fed seems to have raised the level of the S&P 500 at which it will intervene to protect investors, signaling the potential for further rate cuts. As a result, many investors will likely reposition their portfolios into riskier assets by 2025, the report states. Historically, Bitcoin has shown significant growth from October to March, and a similar trend may repeat, given the previous market cycles of 2021 and 2017, experts noted. Additional support for the growth of the first cryptocurrency will come from market dynamics related to the upcoming U.S. presidential elections and inflation expectations, the analysts concluded. Second, news. Donald Trump's cryptocurrency holdings increased by $800,000. In September, former U.S. President Donald Trump's cryptocurrency holdings increased by more than $800,000. At the beginning of the month, the value of digital assets stored in the politician's crypto wallet barely exceeded $5 million. Now, this figure stands at $5.83 million. Trump's virtual currency holdings increased mainly due to Ethereum's price rising by 5% since September 1st. Rewards from the sale of NFTs. In August, Trump released his 4th collection of non-fungible tokens, sold for $99 each. In the new series, Trump appeared as a superhero, biker, boxer, and other rugged personas. Judging by the steady flow of commissions, this NFT collection remains in demand on secondary markets like OpenSea and MoonPay. Additionally, Trump recently received meme tokens called Crypto Burger, dedicated to his purchase of burgers with Bitcoin at New York's Pub Key Bar. This event was notable as Trump became the first U.S. president to publicly use BTC. Trump was sent 12.7 million burger coins, but this did not spark a bullish trend in the cryptocurrency market, and Crypto Burger dropped nearly 29% over the last 24 hours. Third, news. Information leak of nearly 13 million Binance users. Crypto exchange Binance faced a large-scale data breach, resulting in hackers gaining access to the personal information of 12.8 million users, according to Daily Dark Web. The report claims the data was obtained by hackers in August 2024 and includes names, email addresses, phone numbers, postal codes, and birth dates. Preliminary information suggests that the hacker group Greavies is behind the breach, selling the database on the darknet. In response to a user named Pablo Sabatella, Binance's support team denied the leak. The organization claimed it had checked the information, stating it was unrelated to the exchange. So far, there has been no official public statement from Binance. This isn't the first such incident with Binance. In February 2024, a database of alleged Binance users was also put up for sale on the darknet. At that time, the company denied the breach as well. Fourth, news. CryptoQuant analysts noticed increased activity in the TON network. The number of transactions and active addresses on decentralized exchanges within the Open Network, TON, has surged, reflecting growing investor interest, according to analysts from CryptoQuant. Interestingly, the activity spike coincided with the stabilization of the TON price, which stopped rising and moved into a sideways phase. This indicates that many traders arrived too late to speculate, while early investors had already taken their positions, the report noted. Analysts also highlighted the increase in new addresses on decentralized exchanges within the TON network as evidence of sustained interest in trading. They emphasized the dominance of the Ston.fi platform, where 90% of transactions occur. As of now, the total value locked in the TON network exceeds $420 million. The Toncoin price hovers around $5.90, according to TradingView. Fifth, news. Google Cloud partners with Solana Labs. Google Cloud announced a partnership with Solana Labs, with a focus on the GameShift Gaming Studio, which simplifies Web3 game integration. We want to share with the Google Cloud community the potential of Web3 games, how GameShift can help developers realize this potential, the security of using GameShift, and how GameShift and Google Cloud now work seamlessly together, the announcement stated. GameShift is now available in the Google Cloud Marketplace, allowing developers to quickly integrate Web3 into existing cloud gaming server services. Additionally, users can perform secure and low-cost transactions for in-game purchases or subscriptions. GameShift supports both fiat and cryptocurrency payments, enabling currency conversion and transaction processing. Google Cloud's director of gaming, Jack Boozer, commented, "Game studios have recently viewed Web3 as a new approach to growth, but are often deterred by the complexity of the technology. They are already overloaded and need solutions like GameShift, which offers simplified technical and cultural interfaces for Web3. 6. News. Bonk creators plan to release a meme token-based ETF. The creators of the Bonk cryptocurrency, dedicated to the dog meme, plan to release an exchange-traded product, presumably an ETF, based on the token. At the Solana Breakpoint blockchain conference, Bonk's lead developer, known as Nam, announced a partnership with US-based Osprey Funds, which integrates digital assets into traditional financial markets. The partnership aims to create an exchange-traded product. If the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission approves the derivative, private and institutional investors will be able to purchase shares of a financial instrument whose value will be tied to the price of Bonk. The product is likely to be a spot exchange-traded fund. The initial capitalization of the product is planned to be secured through funds from the Bonk Decentralized Autonomous Organization and its strategic partners. The Bonk community enthusiastically welcomed the news. Successful implementation of this project could boost the token's price as funds flow in, as the derivative issuer will purchase coins before releasing shares. Currently, Bonk has been struggling, with its price dropping by 17% in the past month and trading volume down by about a quarter compared to August. 7th News. Gold reaches a new all-time high. Gold prices hit their highest level following the Federal Reserve's rate cut, and crypto analysts are now discussing when Bitcoin might follow suit. According to goldprice.org, gold reached a record high of $2,629 per ounce on September 23 after rising more than 5% in the past 2 weeks. This significant price jump followed a 0.5% rate cut by the Fed on Wednesday, September 18, providing tailwinds for the metal. Lower interest rates make yield-bearing assets tied to the Fed's rates, such as short-term government bonds, less attractive, while inflation hedges like gold become popular diversification options. Global geopolitical risks, such as Russia's ongoing military operation in Ukraine, the war between Israel and Hamas, and the upcoming U.S. presidential election in November, have also increased appetite for gold investments. Furthermore, global central bank gold purchases have tripled since Russia's operation in Ukraine began in early 2022, according to a Goldman Sachs report from September 12. Wall Street researchers predict gold prices will reach $2,700 by early 2025, driven by further Fed rate cuts. However, according to Peter Bukvar, chief investment officer at Bleakley Financial Group, gold has yet to surpass its inflation-adjusted peak of $3,200 in 1980. Nevertheless, gold enthusiast Peter Schiff couldn't resist criticizing digital assets in a post on X, formerly Twitter, on September 23. Gold just hit another record high, but few investors notice or care, he said. With so much focus on Bitcoin, investors are overlooking gold's rise and its significance, the gold mogul added. Bitcoin, often called digital gold, is also on the rise, with its price up 8.5% since the Fed's rate decision. The asset hit an intraday and 4-week high of $64,660 during early trading on September 23, according to CoinGecko. In a note to investors on September 22, 10x Research founder and CEO Marcus Thielen said, "The likelihood of a major breakout increases as we approach the key window from October to March, predicting a new all-time high by the end of 2024. Bitcoin's performance in 2024 has once again followed its seasonal pattern, just as in 2023. That's why traders should expect a major breakout, potentially reaching new all-time highs in Q4 2024.